Ready? Got my steering.
Okay.
Ready? Got my steering gear. Clear gear steerer. Say action or something. Got my steering gearbox in for my 72 Charger. It's from Steering Gear. It's a whopping 38 pounds. Got instructions. Got a seal in there. It's painted. Got it. Got some stampings on it. This is the stage 2. So it's supposed to be modern handling. Steering Gear. It's in Ohio. Check them out. Later.
I am.
So I forgot to include the price. It's for me shipped to my door without the core was $708. Depending on your state, your taxes might be higher or lower. But I'll also get the core refund back, and I believe it was $190. Don't quote me on that, but when I send back the old one, I'll get a core charge. And the reason why I bought this is because the gearbox that was in it, the pinion shaft seal was leaking here, and everything else is sloppy. And so I just figured I'd go upgrade it with a stage 2 from Steering Gear. Firm Feel, I wanted to go with them. They had like a 6 to 8 week lead time, so this I got to my door in 2 weeks, and I'll get my core charge back in probably another week or 2 weeks whenever they receive it. So it's, being where I'm located is a better deal for me. All right, that's it.